All right, I got a quick tip for you today, and it's in Business Central, and it's about the Tell Me window. And basically, everybody knows if you've used Business Central at all, you just click the little magnifying glass up here, and you get the Tell Me window, and then you can search for any screens in Business Central. And I've grown used to when you get to this screen, you can actually use your keyboard and go down or up in that window, and then you'd get to, let's say, items is where I want to go, and then I'd press enter, and it would open the item card. Well, they changed this in, I believe, version 23.1 and so on and after. So this is 23.2. I was under the impression they broke it, and that basically it just didn't work the way it used to. But I recently discovered that they've changed it to the spacebar. So if I press the spacebar, it will open the items card. And if you know keyboard shortcut in web browser, a lot of time if you get a dialog window or with a yes, no, the one that's active, if you press the space bar, it will activate it. And in this case, we have like item number 1896-S selected. And if I go to this one, you see how what item is highlighted. And basically, if I press the space bar here, it'll open that item. And I'm saving myself from taking my hands off the keyboard and putting it on the mouse. But the tip today is just about the Tell Me window, which I usually access through Alt-Q. And Alt-Q, and I type customers, and then I go down, and I just press the space bar. I'm inside customers. And here's a freebie, Alt-Q. If I go again, customers, even though I'm in the customer, if I wanted to click on the first item, this one, when I'm up here, you can just press enter. So if I want block customers, I just press enter right now, and it opens block customers. Here, let's do it from here, and let's go to, I don't know, item ledger. This one's the first item. If I press enter, go straight to it. And I'll queue again, item, ledger, entries. And if I cursor down to it, so when I say cursor, I mean up and down arrows on your keyboard. And then if I press spacebar, opens up. That's it. Quick tip for today. If you want more like this, comment below. See you on the next one.